Go.
Hey guys, this is Master565 here, and today I was messing with all my paper airplanes, and I combined them, and I got a paper sword. This is the handle, and this is the sword. This is the blade. So this is the blade right here. This is the handle right here. Combine them, makes a paper sword. And this is fully made out of paper airplanes. Shing. Let me show you all the paper airplanes I made this out of. First is this one. This was probably my second paper airplane I made. This one. This is probably the second paper airplane I made. This is the first one, pretty lame. This one of my sisters made it. So that's pretty far, like 4 feet. This one, my other sister made it. It could probably fly about 7 to 8 feet. She copied my other sister, but she folded it on right here. So she basically made it better somehow by folding it on. This, I don't know if you could consider this a paper airplane or not. I'd say it's an airplane carrier that's an airplane at the same time. It kind of looks like a paper airplane, kind of does. And I also have a giant one. Here's the tail. Here's the body. And here's the head. I don't think I could combine them in time for you guys to not get bored. But here's a little quick thing of it. So here's the giant one. Looks nice, huh? And yeah, let me show you the ones. Okay, these ones made the blade. The carrier looking one, my first one, and my second one. And then my two sisters made the handle. What I basically did is I put my sister's one that she copied like this. So that's basically how I did the handle. And yeah, that's about it. I made a paper sword made out of paper airplanes. And I also made a giant paper airplane. So, bye. Stop.